When the night feels long and cold, and every dream seems hard to hold, listen to the morning breeze. Hope is dancing through the trees. Every wave that meets the shore whispers you can rise once more. Yesterday is fading fast, a brighter day has come at last. Lift your eyes to the morning sky, watch the darkest shadows fly. Every heartbeat, every prayer reminds you hope is always there. Stronger with every sunrise, faith is shining in my eyes. Step by step I find my way, hope is born with every day. Stronger with every sunrise, no more fear, no more disguise. With love and courage by my side, I'll keep walking with my head held high. The wind may bend the tallest tree, but it won't steal the strength in me. Mountains stand through storm and rain, and sunshine always comes again. Hear the rhythm, feel the beat. Life is moving with your feet. Every blessing, big or small, shows that we can stand through all. Take a breath and let it flow. Trust the path you're meant to know. Leave your worries to the sea. Tomorrow holds new victory. Stronger with every sunrise, faith is shining in my eyes. Step by step I find my way, hope is born with every day. Stronger with every sunrise, no more fear, no more disguise. With love and courage by my side, I'll keep walking with my head held high. When the road is rough and steep, hold your dreams and never sleep. Every lesson, every fall makes you stronger through it all. Let your kindness lead the way, share your light with every day. One good word, one helping hand can change a heart across the land. If the rain begins to fall, don't be afraid to stand up tall. Clouds will never hide the sun, a brand new day has just begun. Keep believing, keep the fire, lift your spirit higher and higher. The dawn reminds us every day, there's always another way. Now the sunlight warms my face, and peace has found its resting place. Every smile I give away makes this world a little brighter today. Hand in hand we'll carry on, singing with the rising dawn. Together we can stand as one beneath the everlasting sun. Stronger with every sunrise, hope is shining in our eyes. Every step, every song reminds us we are brave and strong. Stronger with every sunrise, love will always help us rise. With grateful hearts and spirits free, we'll face tomorrow fearlessly. Stronger with every sunrise, the light is ours to When the road feels long and lonely, and the night hides every sign, I can hear a quiet whisper, child, your time is not defined. Every mountain has a pathway, every river finds a sea. Jah has never stopped believing, even when I couldn't see. So I lift my eyes to heaven, leave my worries in His hands. Every step becomes much lighter, following His perfect plan. Jah will light the way when the skies are turning gray. He will lift your weary soul, He will make your spirit whole. Jah will light the way through the night into the day. Hold on tight, don't be afraid. Jah will light the way. Like the sunrise on the ocean, hope is shining once again. Every storm that tried to break me only taught me how to stand. Feel the breeze among the palm trees, hear the rhythm of the sea. Every heartbeat is a blessing, every breath has set me free. When the burden feels too heavy, when the tears begin to fall, Jah is always standing with me. He will answer every call. Jah will light the way when the skies are turning gray. He will lift your weary soul, He will make your spirit whole. Jah will light the way through the night into the day. Hold on tight, don't be afraid. Jah will light the way. There is power in forgiveness, there is healing in His grace. Every scar becomes a story, every trial leaves its trace. Share your kindness with your neighbor, lift the ones who lost their song. When we walk together in love, we discover we are strong. The winds may blow, the rain may fall, but Jah is greater than it all. His love is deeper than the sea, His truth will always set us free. When tomorrow seems unknown, remember you're never alone. The light of hope will never fade, for Jah has already made the way. faster and the road feels hard to see, take a breath beside the ocean, let the waves speak quietly. Every sunrise brings a promise, every breeze a brand new start. Jah reminds us in the silence, guard the treasure in your heart. Don't let fear become your guide, let hope be the light inside. Every step, though slow it seems, leads you closer to your dreams. Keep your heart in peace, let your worries find release, like the river to the sea. Love will set your spirit free. Keep your heart in peace, let your faith and hope increase. One love, one life, one melody. Jah's love lives inside of me. But they never own the sky. After every rainy season, brighter days are drawing nigh. Share a smile with one another, lift someone who's feeling low. Kindness planted in the morning becomes a harvest as it grows. Don't give up when nights are long, your soul is stronger than the storm. Hold on to the truth you know, love will always help you grow. Keep your heart in peace, let your worries find release, like the river to the sea. Love will set your spirit free. Keep your heart in peace, let your faith and hope increase. One love, one light, one melody. Jah's love lives inside of me. Every mountain has a pathway, every valley has an end. Every broken dream can blossom when you choose to rise again. Hear the children laughing freely, feel the warm Caribbean breeze. Life is richer when we're thankful, living every day with peace. If the winds begin to shake you, stand like palms beside the shore. Bend with grace but never break, you'll be stronger than before. Jah is walking right beside you, even when you cannot see. Trust His timing, trust His mercy, He will lead you faithfully. Skyline, golden light across the sea. Every heartbeat sings with gratitude for the life that's given me. Hand in hand we'll keep on moving, sharing hope with everyone. Side by side we'll walk in harmony until the setting of the sun. Keep your heart in peace, let your worries find release. Every sunrise brings new grace, every smile can light a face. Keep your heart in peace, may your faith forever increase. One love, one hope, one family, living in sweet harmony. Keep your heart in peace, let your joyful song increase. With thankful hearts we'll always say, to keep. Jah will watch your soul in peace. One love, one heart, one way. Keep your heart in peace every day.
Dark clouds gathered overhead, fear was feeling every step, but the ocean kept on singing, there is hope that hasn't left. Every wave that kissed the shoreline spoke of brighter days ahead. Jah was gently whispering, lift your heart, don't bow your head. Morning always follows night, the darkest sky will find the light. Hold on strong, don't lose your faith, love will always lead the way. Every storm will pass, the rain will never last, the sun will shine again someday, Jah will always make a way. Every storm will pass, hope is growing strong at last. Stand with courage, stand with grace, better days we will embrace. The tallest trees keep standing, though the winds may bend their leaves. Strength is born through every trial, for those who still believe. Hear the birds begin their singing, see the rainbow fill the sky. Every tear becomes a lesson, every soul was made to rise. When your burden feels too great, trust in love and learn to wait. Every step is part of the climb, healing comes in Jah's own time. Every storm will pass, the rain will never last, the sun will shine again someday, Jah will always make a way. Every storm will pass, hope is growing strong at last. Stand with courage, stand with grace, better days we will embrace. Take the hand of someone hurting, share the little that you can. A gentle word, a helping heart can change another's path. When we walk in love together, no mountain stands too high. One by one we'll keep believing, till we reach the brighter side. When the lightning fills the heavens, don't surrender to your fear. Jah is closer than the heartbeat, His voice is always near. Through the valleys and the mountains, through the rivers and the rain, every trial has a purpose, every loss can bring you gain. Now the sunrise paints the water, golden light across the sea. Every breath becomes a blessing, every soul can now believe. With thanksgiving in our voices, we'll keep moving hand in hand. One love growing ever stronger across this beautiful land. Every storm will pass, the rain will never last, the sun will shine again someday, Jah will always make a way. Every storm will pass, faith will carry us at last. With grateful hearts and spirits free, we'll live in love and harmony. Every storm will pass,
in the sky in shades of blue. Yesterday is gone at last. No need to live inside the past. The ocean sings a brand new song, reminding me where I belong. Every breath is a gift to keep, a promise waking from its sleep. Lift your eyes and face the day. Jah will gently lead the way. Every sunrise brings new light, turning darkness into bright. Rise with hope again. Let your new life begin. Leave the sorrow in the night. Walk into the morning light. Rise with hope again. You were born to rise again. With faith inside and love so strong, you'll always find where you belong. The tallest mountain starts with one step. The deepest faith has no regret. Though the wind may shake the trees, they still dance with every breeze. Hear the birds begin to sing. See the joy that dawn can bring. Every smile you choose today can help another find their way. Don't give up when times are hard. Jah is closer than they are. Every tear that falls today, He will gently wipe away. Rise with hope again. Let your new life begin. Leave the sorrow in the night. Walk into the morning light. Rise with hope again. You were born to rise again. With faith inside and love so strong, you'll always find where you belong. When the road is rough to climb, take one step at a time. Every trial shapes the soul, making broken spirits whole. Share your kindness everywhere. Lift another through your care. One small act of love can be a light for all the world to see. The rain will never stay forever. Stormy days don't last forever. Beyond the clouds, the sun still shines right on time. Every time, trust the journey, trust the King. Every season as it spring, hold your faith and don't let go. Greater days are still to grow. Now I see the golden sky. Hope has filled my heart and mind. Every sunrise tells me this: life is full of simple gifts. Hand in hand we'll walk as one, beneath the warm and rising sun. With thankful hearts we'll always sing for every blessing that He brings. Rise with hope again. Let your new life begin. Every sunrise brings new grace. Every smile can light a face. Rise with hope. one faith, one new day. Rise with hope again. Always straight.
One love, one new tomorrow. The morning sun is rising high, golden colors fill the sky. A gentle breeze moves through the trees, carrying hope across the seas. Yesterday is far behind, leaving every fear behind. Today begins with open hearts, a brand new journey, a brand new start. Take my hand, let's walk as one, together underneath the sun. Every heartbeat, every smile makes this life a little brighter. One love, one new tomorrow, leaving behind every sorrow. Step by step we'll find the way, walking into a brighter day. One love, one new tomorrow. Faith is stronger than our struggles. Hand in hand we'll stand together. One love forever and ever. Oh, the ocean waves keep rolling on, singing every hopeful song. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, bringing hearts to perfect peace. Every mountain has a view, every dream can still come true. Hold on tight and don't let go, there's so much beauty left to know. When the night is cold and long, hope will always make us strong. Joy is with us every day, lighting every step we take. One love, one new tomorrow, leaving behind every sorrow. Step by step we'll find the way, walking into a brighter day. One love, one new tomorrow. Faith is stronger than our struggles. Hand in hand we'll stand together. One love forever and ever. If your heart feels tired today, don't lose hope along the way. Every sunrise tells the truth, life is always born anew. Share your kindness, share your light, help another through the night. Love can heal the deepest pain, joy will bloom like summer rain. When the winds begin to blow, stand together, let love grow. Storms may come, but they won't stay. Jah will always make a way. Lift your voice and sing along, fill the world with hopeful songs. One heart, one family, living in sweet harmony. Ooh. Oh,
this song. Together we are brave and strong. One love, one faith, one way, one new tomorrow.